Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. In this video, we will talk about the WhatsApp brand new status resharing update. Earlier, only the persons you mention in your status could reshare it, but that's changed now. With the latest update, anyone can reshare your status, no mentions required. This makes sharing faster, easier, and more open than ever before. Here's how to allow or stop it. Firstly, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Now, select any picture that you want to share on your status. Now, at the bottom left corner, tap here. Now, tap on the toggle against Allow Sharing option and click on Done. Now, tap to share the status, and now anyone can easily reshare this status. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.